talk about how can you face this problem or know how you can do that on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list and all you have to do. So you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here and here you're looking for Airbnb app. Just click on it here or search for it here. Add here Airbnb app, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, then come to storage list. Just click here on clear cache, then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store here, click here on Play Store and you search for Airbnb app. It's going to show for you here update, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.